Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your computer teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, formatting worksheet. And in this session we'll discuss about formatting cells using dialog box, and we'll discuss border tab, fill tab, and protection tab. So first we are having border tab. You can use this tab for adding border, border line style, and border color. And these are the options available in this tab. First, we can select the type of the line, whether you want to select the solid line or dotted line, then the color of border and the type of border that you want to apply. So let's get started how to use this border tab. Now you can see that if you will see the print preview of this page, then now you can see the records have been displayed, but without any kind of border. If you want to display the border around the cells, then you have to select that those cells and n number of cells that you want. And after that, we are also having this option on the home tab and in the font group. We are having this option to select the border also. From here, you can select the borders, but here we will use format cell dialog box to decide the border. Then right click on the selected cells, then format cell option. Then here we are having border tab. This one is font, and here we are having border tab. Inside border tab, first of all you have to decide the style of the line that you want to display. That means you want to display a solid line, a dotted line. I'll choose a solid line. Then next you can decide the type of border, the where you want to display the border lines. You want to display border only around the selected lines only, or inside the borders also you want to display. If I will use this one, then here you can see that the border has been applied around the selected cells. And you can also again select this one, format cell, and you can also select these line, dotted line. Then next this, you can also select the color also. Then so that means we are having three options. One is line, then is color, then we are having the border style. Then press OK. Now you can see, if you will check the print preview, then the border around the selected cells will be displayed. After the border tab, we are having fill tab. These options allow you to change fill color or the background color of a cell. So when you will click on this fill button, fill tab, then these options will be displayed in front of you. Then background color is here, fill effects are there, pattern color and pattern style will be there. So let's start how we can use the fill tab. First of all, you have to select the cells that you want to apply the style. Then right click, format cells, and here we are having background color. So first, for example, I want to choose this color. Then if you will click this one, now you can see the filled effect, the background color has been set for the selected cells. Or next, you can also choose another options also. For example, if you don't want to display plain background, then you can also choose some fill effects using this fill effect button. Click on this one. Here we are having pattern colors also. If you want to display like this, I want to display the buttons like this, the cells like this background, and you can also choose the color that you want to apply. So I'll apply the same blue color. Then when you will click OK, then OK. Now you can see the background color of each cell has been changed according to the selected style. So that's all about how we can use fill tab. Inside the fill tab, you can also choose the pattern. For example, if you will right click on then format cell dialog, then fill. Here we are having pattern also. Instead of using background color or fill effect, you can also choose the pattern. First of all, you have to decide the pattern type that you want. I want to display like this style, and you can also from here you can also select the color of that pattern. So I'll choose the red. Then when you will click on this one, then this one is the pattern. And next we will discuss about the protection tab. This tab is used for locking or hiding the selected cell. Locking cell or hiding cell formula has no effect until you protect the worksheet. So that means you have to protect the worksheet by clicking on a review tab. So let's start how to protect some cells. For example, in this worksheet, I want to lock these two cells. I don't want anybody to edit these two cells. So let's suppose I just make it with red color. So that means I don't want anybody to edit these cells. So if you want to check, then right click on format cell, and you can see that by default each and every cell in MS Excel is locked. But by default this logged cell or hidden cell option will not affect until you will protect the worksheet. So for example, I want these two cells to be locked and I want other cell to unlock. So select other cells. So what we are going to do, we are going to lock these two cells. So you have to select the remaining cells, right click on that one, format cell, then click lock button. That means we are going to unlock these options. Click OK. Then next, after that we have to click on review tab, protect sheet. It will ask you to choose a password. For protection, I'll choose some password. Then it will you have to re-enter the password also. Click OK. Then now you can see you people can change the value of these cells, but you people can't change the value of any value of this cell. If you will try to make some changes in the value of total or text column, then this message will be displayed. The cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected there, therefore read only. So that means in this way you can protect the cells also. So that's all about the current session, and that's the completion of our format cell dialog and all the options. If you people are having any kind of doubt related to all the tabs of format cell dialog, then you can contact me anytime.